Good morning, good morning, good morning. Ciao, ciao, buongiorno. Buongiorno ragazzi, ragazzi. Buongiorno. Silipin lang natin itong wheat grain, ano? May mga ano na sila. Mga bunga-bunga na ano. Ayan, dito tayo. Kahit maano dito. Ayan guys. Dito tayo. Ayan. May araw, hindi ko makita. Ayan. May mga bunga na sila. Ayan, ayan. Ayan. 2 minutes video. Ayan. No? Yan yung bukirin ko. Alright. Guys. This is my farm. But it's not mine. And the front of my house. Yan, this is the field of wheat grain. Here, the front of my house. Look at my house. There, that is my house. Rent house, rent. And the countryside. I'm here in the countryside. Yes. Yes. All right. Maybe the harvesting. Oh, is coming August of September. Oh, September. Alright guys. Oh, tingnan natin sa malapit. Ayan. Ayan sila, no? Alright. That's all, that's all. That's all, folks. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching. Ayan, silipin muna natin ang bukirin. Ayan. Thank you. Bye-bye. Ciao, ciao.